Hello, hi, dear students. How are you? I believe you're doing good and you're learning good through your English classes. Students, today we'll look at 7 tips which will help you speak good English or fluent English. Yes, but other than these points, I would suggest you that try to speak as much as you can, because the more you speak English, the more you will learn English, the more your English will get fluent. And uh, I will help you with the 7 tips as well. So let's start it here. So the first tip is, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English with the right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers make mistakes. So speak as much as you can without being scared or afraid. So the second tip is, practice, practice, practice. Practice regularly and constantly is key to improving fluency and confidence in speaking English. It is also important to vary your practice activities, such as listening to native speakers, reading in English, and speaking with native speakers or other English learners. Additionally, setting specific goals and receiving feedback on your progress can also help to improve your English language skills. The third point is, listen. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You will start speaking more fluently and confidently in English conversations. Learning how to give your opinion in English with new expressions and idioms. These first 4 tips help provide the best way to start speaking English with ease. The following 3 steps will help you take English speaking skills to the next level. So, number 5 is, think in English. Go from speaking good English to a great English by thinking in the language. You'll find it difficult at first, but after some time, you will learn how to switch between speaking English and your first language. So, what you have to basically do is tune your brain into English and start thinking by English. So, when you want to say a sentence, instead of thinking in your native language, try to think it in English. That's a very fast way of speaking English very fluently. Talk to yourself. It will look funny, but by talking to yourself in English in front of mirror for each day, you will learn to pronounce every letter in the English alphabets, plus when and how to use different expressions. You will also learn where you make most of the mistakes. Tongue, tongue twisters. Tongue twisters help improve your dictation, teach you how to speak quickly. Practice with tricky sayings like this: the 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. So these were some tips. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you again.